Hello everyone, it's Mike Bryant. I'm here today in Zionsville, Indiana, in a development called Holiday Farms. And my website is metalroofbuilders.com. The video today is showcasing metal accents on a new custom home with striations and a snow guard or snow bar. And the snow bar acts as a restraint on the snow so that it won't get down in the gutters, melt, freeze up, and end up tearing the gutters off. Now, I'm also here because I have a drone and I took some drone footage, which I'm going to post along with this video to my YouTube channel, where you can see different projects that we've done to get different ideas about how all these metal roofing components work and look like. So maybe you could come up with some ideas for your own house. It doesn't need to just be on new construction. It can be on an older house where maybe you want to try to improve the look and appeal of your house. And that's what we're here for. If you have questions about that or just want to talk about it, you can send me a picture of your house. I'll be happy to take a look at it and tell you what I think and give you some ideas. No charge, no obligation. So again, I just wanted to share this short video with you. Get a chance, look at the YouTube channel and let us know what you think. Again, it's metalroofbuilders.com is the website. And I'm Mike Bryant, signing off from Holiday Farms in Zionsville, Indiana.